Another, hey folks, I have another beautiful one for you guys. This transport, the carrier with the dozer. Just want to show you guys. I'll zoom in a little bit better. I love the beautiful color. It has a little wear to it, but it's original. Huge, huge plus to find the stickers. Original. The tires are number one thing, really, when it comes to the older toys. You guys know out there better than I do on that, right? Just want to show you this gorgeous Dozer. Really, really nice. When the stickers are intact, folks, and the controls, to show you guys what a beautiful, beautiful piece this is. I just want to lift it so I can show you guys the body of the carrier here, the transporter. It even shows the number 100 here. Any stickers here, huge, huge, huge plus. Very nice piece right here, folks. Like I said, these older toys that have the incredible workmanship, the quality. Give you guys a little sneak peek. All these are getting ready to start going for sale. I know you guys are gonna love this one right here, folks. I had to buy it.